What's up, you guys? Assalamu alaikum. Here's a speed cleaning kitchen motivation after dark edition. Who does not love waking up to a clean kitchen in the morning? I love waking up to a clean kitchen, so that means I do most of my cleaning at night when the kids go to sleep. This time the kids did not go to sleep, but they're almost about to go to bed because it's a school night. Plus, I have work in the morning. I get up for work like around 3 a.m., so I needed to tidy this up and get ready for bed. I cooked dinner for the kids, and as y'all can see, the kitchen is a mess. I was so exhausted from work. Like, I work only 3 days, so when I go back to work, it's like the first day all over again for me. But anyways, I'm not gonna let that stop me and not clean my house. I love a clean house, so that's what I'm gonna do. I really need to like deep clean my house. I'm planning on like spending the whole weekend on just cleaning because the kids will be out of school since it's MLK Day coming up. I want to take advantage of that and have them clean up their rooms. I want to teach my kids to also, do their chores, not only depend on me all the time to get things done for them. MashaAllah, my daughter, she does everything on her own, but the boys, they're just a different story. By the way, I decided to put these dishwasher pads in the sink disposal just to see if it will clean it up because it had a little funky smell to it. So I just put that in there and it smells good. After that, I decided to mop the floor because it really needed to be mopped. And ta-da! Everything looks clean and tidy. I hope that this video motivated you. Please don't forget to tap that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.